Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Chemistry channel. Today, let's learn together about the NHT-VCE Chemistry Examination 2021. We will focus on questions related to fuel and reaction heat. This section includes the type of fuels, enthalpy of reaction, and calorimeters. My explanations may not be perfect. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. Fossil fuels are formed from ancient plants, animals, and microorganisms such as coal, crude oil, and natural gas. In this table, LPG, kerosene, and natural gas are fossil fuels. So, B is correct. Other fuels except hydrogen are biofuel because they are sourced from biological materials. If the electricity is sourced from renewable energy, the hydrogen from the electrolysis of water is a renewable fuel. Ammonium nitrate absorbs the same energy in both cases because the same mass is used. However, less mass of water in the calorimeter is used. So, the greater change in temperature and higher mole heat of the solution will be calculated. So, D is correct. The stronger the intermolecular force, the higher the viscosity. Dispersion force is only the intermolecular force between petrodiesel and petrol because they are nonpolar. Dipole-dipole forces are the main intermolecular forces between bioethanol and biodiesel because they are polar. So, the viscosity of bioethanol and biodiesel is higher than at petrodiesel and petrol, and A and D are eliminated. Furthermore, the molecular size of biodiesel is larger than at bioethanol, so, the biodiesel has the highest viscosity and C is correct. The key is the heat of combustion of E10. Assuming 100 grams of E10, we have 90 grams of petrol and 10 grams of ethanol. Using the heat of combustion in the data book, we can calculate the heat of combustion of E10 per ton. Finally, we calculate the mass of E10 in this tank in tons. Biofuels are renewable fuels because they can be replenished constantly. So, A is eliminated. Both carbon and water are greenhouse gases, and biofuels release carbon and water when they burn. So, B is correct. The energy density of biofuel is less than that of fossil fuels. So, C is eliminated. Biofuel releases similar carbon dioxide per unit of energy produced than fossil fuels. So, D is eliminated. Write a balanced chemical equation for the incomplete combustion of propane gas. The incomplete combustion of gas produces carbon monoxide and water. The fraction coefficient is okay. Don't forget the state of substance. Under SLC, water is liquid. We know the temperature, pressure, density of liquid propane, and volume of a cylinder, and are asked to calculate the total mass of propane including liquid and gas. Using the universal gas equation, we calculate the mole of propane gas and then its mass. Then, using the density of liquid propane and its volume, we calculate the mass of liquid propane. Finally, we add the mass of gas and the mass of liquid together to get the total mass of propane. Propane and butane are both nonpolar molecules. However, propane molecules are smaller than butane molecules, so propane has weaker dispersion forces between its molecules. Therefore, propane gas is more easily vaporized than butane gas and therefore will undergo burn more readily in colder temperatures. There are 5 multiple-choice questions worth 1 point each, totaling 5 marks, and 1 short answer question worth 7 marks in this section covering fuels. The overall score for this section is 12 points. With a total possible score of 120 points, the percentage for this section was 10.0% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel and Lou's VCE Chemistry channel.